Hello guys, welcome back to another video. So in this video we will show you how to enable or disable a onboard graphics card in your PC or laptop. Sometimes you may need to disable the onboard graphics card to install a dedicated graphics card, or you may want to enable or troubleshoot the display issues. Whatever the reason may be, we have got you covered with a step-by-step guide. So we will start by showing you how to check whether the system has onboard graphics card or not. Then we will guide you how to easily enable or disable the onboard graphics card or the dedicated graphics card. So we will also cover some common issues which may encounter and have to troubleshoot them. Our tutorial is designed for both novice and experienced users, and will make sure to explain everything in simple and easy to understand terms. So whether you are a gamer, a video editor, or casual user, this video will help you to take control of the graphics card settings and optimize your PC or laptop performance. So sit back and relax and let us show you how to disable or enable your graphics card in your PC or laptop step by step. Okay, so firstly what you will have to do is go to the start menu and just type device manager. You don't have to type it completely. Even after typing device, it shows up device manager at the top. So you have to go into the device manager. I'll just make it full screen, and as you can see, there are this display adapter option is there. So just go under this display adapter, and as you can see, there is a dedicated graphics card AMD Radeon HD 8500M installed on my laptop, and there is a onboard graphics card from Intel R Iris TM graphics 5100. So I have already disabled this one, that is the onboard graphics card. How you can check it? You can just right click on it, and you can see enable device. So as it is showing the enable option, it is already disabled. And you can, if you see, uh, right click on this one, then it is showing the disabled device. So if I disable this one, then the a dedicated graphics card will be disabled, and if I enable this one, then the onboard graphics card will be enabled. So this is a simple way to check whether you are having a dedicated graphics card or not on installed on your laptop or desktop. And yeah, that's it guys. So hope you like this video, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and comment your thoughts and queries, whatever comes to your mind. Thank you very much.